Hey everybody, I thought I'd give you another update on the house. As you can see, they put in the windows. But they've taken that manhole cover off. Maybe somebody stole it. It is a construction site after all, but they've also put the front door on, so I'm going to take you around and have a look. You can also see they finished the plaster work. So you've got lovely white walls now instead of horrible grey ones. Except for over there, but they're going to put all the cupboards and stuff, so they don't need to put plaster on that bit. Anyway, I wonder what that's for. It's pretty chilly right now. It's about, I don't know, about 7 or 8 degrees Celsius. That'll be about 44 degrees Fahrenheit for all my American friends. What's this? Danger. Okay. And here's my front door. I chose blue. It matches the roof. They're going to put a no, I think I had to put a screen door on, but they've extended the framework, so because originally in the original design you couldn't put a security door on because I had to extend that frame. Oh, we can have a look in here though, maybe. Peekaboo. Well, exciting times. I'm really happy with this place. It's going to be my home for a long time. Anyway, I'm going home now. I'm probably going to get McDonald's on the way home. I've been actually eating vegan soups the past 3 days, so I have to get my fill of unhealthiness now. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.